Mayong adlaw, this is JPerpetualKid at tara, let's explore Siquijor!
Welcome to Infinity Sands Resort, located at Barangay Maite, San Juan, Siquijor. Dayon kamo.
Okay, thank you ma'am! So, we are here at Infinity Sands Resort in Barangay Maite, San Juan, Siquijor. So, this is their pathway and they have 8 identical premium villas with king-size bed. This is good for 2, maximum of 4 guests dahil meron silang dalawang pull-out bed. So, these are their accommodations. Puntahan natin yung isang room. So again, this is their premium villa with king-size bed. Ayan po. And then there are 2 pull-out beds on both sides. Kaya maximum of 4 guests can be accommodated in this room. So ayan, meron pa tayong flat screen TV, ceiling fan, in your coffee area, and coffee and tea area. And meron din po silang mini ref, and this is your toilet and bath, which meron po silang hot and cold shower. We're here at Infinity Sands Resort in Barangay Maite, San Juan, Siquijor. And diretso po tayo sa kanilang swimming pool. There's no lifeguard on duty, so ano lang, careful lang. Hindi naman ito malalim, it's 4.5 feet. Then 2 feet here. Ayan. So this is their pool. Ang ganda, diba? And let's go up sa kanilang restaurant. Again, a final look sa swimming pool.
Welcome to Infinity Sands Resort.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for welcoming me, JPerpetualKid. So this is the restaurant. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Again, so we're here at their restaurant. It's facing the sea. Ayan po. But before that, ayan, meron din po silang bar. And hello, boss. Ayan. And meron po silang happy hour from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. 150 pesos lang ang kanilang cocktails. So marami pa silang option. And you can invite your guests, your friends, or your family. Pag may birthday celebration or special occasions, you can dine in here. And for today's special, meron silang starter, cheese nachos, Thai chicken lettuce. Then for main course, pan-seared salmon and white sauce. Hindi pala klaro, ayan. And then chicken teriyaki plain rice, and then apple cake. So this is their oceanfront restaurant. Ang ganda. It's low tide. Earlier the water is until dito talaga sa shore, but it's, ayan, the water's retreating. Again, we're here at Infinity Sands Resort in Barangay Maite, San Juan, Siquijor. Over there is Sulangon, Lalao, Poblacion, and Negros Island, Apo Island, and Mindanao. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe. Ayo ayo!